Welcome back to my channel. Today we are in black and white because we are doing eyeshadow palette bingo with my last 6 palettes that I picked up, and they are palettes from indie brands only. I really love this look and I'm so excited to show it to you guys and to hear your thoughts on it, but let's go ahead and jump into today's video. If this is your first time here, hi, my name is Heather Eaglin. I love all things makeup, especially colorful makeup and indie brands. And if you guys love those things too, I really hope you will subscribe, click the little bell so you can be notified of all my future uploads. If you guys are interested in any of the palettes I mentioned or any of the products on my face, I will have everything linked below in my description box. But let's go ahead and pop up the random number generator on the screen and I will show you guys the color story that I got, and it's super good. So the first palette is the DEDE Signature Blooming Basket eyeshadow palette. This is super beautiful. I have 2 looks on my channel using this. Out of these palettes, this is the one that I've used the least, so I really do want to create some more looks with this. This palette is stunning. But I got shade number 12, which is this beautiful blue shade down here called Forget Me Not. And I will swatch it. I will pop up better swatches at the end so you guys can really see what we're working with. So this is the shade from that palette. It is super vibrant, super beautiful. I really enjoyed working with that shade. And then next I drew from the Dreamer palette. This is from Unearthly Cosmetics. I also have 2 looks on my channel using this palette. Super stunning, but I got shade number 11, which is this beautiful shade here called Dream State. It is a holochrome. There's so much like glittery reflect like sparkles in this. It's so fine and smooth though. Unearthly has one of my, if not my favorite shimmer formula. It is absolutely spectacular. Then next I drew from the Glamlite Betty Boop palette. I also have videos up of this one as well. But I got shade number 10, which is this shade here called Boop Oopadoop. And so far you can see this color story is really cohesive and I'm really here for it. I'm super excited. I love an eyeshadow palette bingo. I watch a lot of people do them. My favorite person to watch do the palette bingo is probably Batty Bean here on YouTube. I love the looks that she comes up with the color story she gets. She is super creative. But next I drew from the Bella Beauty Bar and Deandra Nicole Ultraviolet palette. And for this one I got shade number 6, which is the shade here called Exotic. I really love the Bella Beauty Bar formula. I do have a code for them and Unearthly Cosmetics. It's AOML for both places. They are affiliated, but if you use them, I really, really do appreciate it. It means a lot. I know a few of you already have, and I really do appreciate it. But next, I drew from the Bella Beauty Bar Dead Roses. This is one of my favorite palettes I've bought this year so far. I love this so much. But I got shade number 12, which is the shade down here called Ill. And it's a beautiful multi-chrome. I just really love this shade. But I'm super excited to get this one for this color story. Like, this is really, really good. It looks red to me, but it's looking really purple on camera. And then lastly, I used the Nomad New Zealand Stargazing palette. For this one, I got shade number 14, which is the shade Queenstown Skyline. It's my least favorite shade in this palette, but I think for this color story, I will be able to make it work. I would have been happier with one of the other shades, but I think this color story is really beautiful. I think I already have a plan for what I want to do. Hopefully I've already popped up the good swatches for you guys, but let me get you guys zoomed in and then we will get started. I'm going to start with the DEDE. I'm going to start with the DEDE Signature Blooming Basket palette, and I'm going into the shade Forget Me Not, but I am going to just press this here on the outer corner. I'm not really worried about blending this out yet. I just want everything placed up on the top where I want it to go, and then I'll work on the blend. But I really just want to pack this on so I can get all of, I don't want to lose the blue in the purple, if that makes sense. Now I want to go into my Ultraviolet palette, and I'm picking up the shade here called Exotic. I'm doing this on a Singe Beauty E06, and I'm just going to press this everywhere else in the crease. I'm going to take it most of the way in and then knead it up with this blue shade like that. I think this look is going to be really pretty, and I would do these two colors together, but I would never pair the shimmers that I got with these colors. Maybe the one from the Dreamer palette, but not the one from the Bella Beauty Bar. And the same with the Betty Boop and the Nomad palette. I wouldn't put these together. That's really what I love a lot about doing these makeup bingos, because it makes you really go like outside of your comfort zone. But now I'm going in with my Singe Beauty E03, and I'm just going to slightly blend this out. I may go back in and deepen it up again after I'm done blending, but for now we are just going to work on the blend, and the same over here with the blue. I'm going to go in with this Friday the 13th brush from Glamlite. I'm going to pick up more of that shade Forget Me Not from the DEDE Signature palette, and I'm just going to work on blending these out. Before I started filming YouTube videos, my favorite way to do eyeshadow was to mix palettes together. Very rarely did I ever work within a palette. I just really love, having free reign to mix and just use what you want and come up with your own color story. I think it's super fun, but this is a fun way of still being able to do that, and it makes me super excited. Now we're going back in with this BH Cosmetics shading brush, and I'm just going to deepen this up. Now I'm going in with my Singe Beauty E03 again, and we're picking up the shade Exotic. And I'm going to use this to blend out the blue just slightly. Now we're going to go back in with the Friday the 13th brush, and I'm going to pick up more of the shade Forget Me Nots. And we're just going to re-intensify and deepen up. I really like this brush because it's good for packing on, but it's also really good for blending out. Now we're going to go back in with the Singe Beauty E06, and I'm going to pick up more of this shade here called Exotic, and I just want to deepen up this front portion of my crease just a little bit more, because I blended a little too much and lost a little bit of that color payoff. Such a pretty shade. If you like violets, you would really, really enjoy this palette. Such a beautiful one. Now let's go into my Glamlite Betty Boop palette. I'm going to use my Singe Beauty E04, and we are going to pick up the shade Boop Oop A Doop. And I'm going to press this along the lower lash line. I want to make sure that this meets with this outer corner here as well. Now I'm going in with this Moda brush. It's like a little smudging brush, but I want to pick up the shade Queenstown Skyline from the Nomad palette, and we are going to press this here in the inner corner. And then I'm also going to use it to blend out this deeper shade I have here. But now I'm going back in with my Singe Beauty EO4, and I'm just going to pick up a little more of the shade and just really deepen this up a little. Now I'm going to go in with my Unearthly Cosmetics Glimmer Grasp, and I'm just going to place this all over the lid, everywhere I want to put the shimmers anyway. Okay, now it's shimmer time. You can probably already guess what I'm going to do with these, but I'm going in with the Bella Beauty Bar Dead Roses palette, picking up the shade Ew. The shade is so pretty. It's like turquoise and deep purple and red. Very stunning. But we are going to put this here. But I'm going to use my finger, actually. These are so, like, thin, but so impactful. Now I'm going in with my Singe Beauty EO1, and I'm going to pick up the Dreamer palette. I'm using the shade Dream State that I got. And we are going to press this all in this area. This is super pretty. We need to make sure these two like really blend and mesh together. They are very much so opposites. Super pretty. Now I'm going to go in with my Sigma E30 pencil brush, and we are going to pick up the shade from the DEDE Signature palette. And I want to make sure this outer corner is really blending into these shimmer shades, because these colors truly don't like go well together. But let me know down below if you guys had this color story. How would you have done it differently? I always love hearing other perspectives of stuff like this. I think it's really cool to see what other people would do with the same things. Here's the look before liner and mascara, but let me go do the other eye off camera and all the other things, and I will be right back to show you guys the finished look. And here is the finished look. I don't know about you guys, but I really love it. I'm also trying out this new liner that I picked up from Give Beauty. Is in the shade Bathwater, but it looks so freaking pretty. I did a little wing that got a bit out of hand, but I just added this to the waterline and I smudged it out just a little bit, and I feel like it really tied that outer corner into this look a lot better. But this shade is so freaking pretty, and it's like straight on pigment. It's such a nice formula. I don't know about longevity yet. I've had this on probably for about 30 minutes, and it seems to be staying in the waterline, but I will update you guys on that later. But I really love this look. You guys are going to have to let me know your thoughts on it down below. I really love eyeshadow palette bingos. If there's any palettes you guys would like me to do, or any brands you would like to see me do bingos with, then just leave it down below in a comment. But please let me know what you guys think. If you watched this video all the way to the end, I appreciate you so much. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. It really does help me out a lot. But leave your thoughts down below. And until next time, bye.